Hello, Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher. How to set up a mini lesson in just a couple of minutes. Today's lesson is play the ski race game. And the objective of this lesson is to enhance fine motor skills and also to practice following directions. To do this activity, you will need a few materials. Number one, you will be downloading templates from education.com, and I will have the link to my Pinterest board in the show notes where you can go to get those materials. You will also need some scissors, some glue or tape, some paper clips. Now here is how we will do the activity. First of all, download and print the templates. The first of these templates is ski race. These are the materials that you're going to put together, cut out, tape and glue, and put in the paper clip at the bottom. The directions are along the side. The second thing you're going to need is the pattern to create the dice. Now, you're only going to need to roll one die to play this game, but each of the players will need this pattern. You follow the directions, where to fold and where to glue and tape. The last thing you need is the game board. Here is the game board for the ski race game. So you will assemble all of the materials. A younger child will need your assistance in cutting, taping, and pasting. An older child will be able to do this independently. Once you have all the materials cut out and assembled, you will be ready to play the game. So you're going to ask the child to read the directions. Each player rolls one die and follows the instructions on the game board. The first one who is able to ski down the mountain is the winner. I would hardly recommend to use cardstock or thicker paper so that the game will be more durable, and you also might want to consider laminating it so you could be able to use this game over and over again as it's handled by the children. Hope you've had fun with this activity. Please hit subscribe to get new teaching lessons in all different subjects every Friday, and for other educational resources that your family will benefit from using, whether it be my books or materials and recommendations for parents and teachers. Please do check out my website at www.littlemisshistory.com. Until next time, goodbye.